Hey everybody, welcome back for cocktail number 3 of our virtual cocktail class. This one I know is a favorite of some of the young ladies who work here, and frankly it looks really awesome, so it's a favorite of mine as well. Again, this is a great summertime drink, but if you're lounging around the house on a weekend and you just want to have something that looks cool, have a couple friends over to the house and want to kind of blow their minds for a second, this is a great cocktail and it's a super easy cocktail to make. So the next cocktail we'll be doing is called Purple Rain. It is a botanical gin and tea cocktail. Very light, very easy to drink. Again, great lounging around day, great summer weather drink. So for this cocktail, we're going to be using Hendrick's gin. Hendrick's is a botanical gin, so a little bit less forward than London gin, a little bit more floral. We'll also be using St. Germain Elderflower. This is elderflower liqueur. It is slightly sweet. That's a lie, it's very sweet. Pro tip, if you're sitting at home with a bottle of Prosecco and some elderflower liqueur, a little bit of this in a glass of Prosecco will go a long way. We'll be using, for this cocktail, we'll be using butterfly pea flower tea. So the butterfly pea is a form of pea that grows in Thailand and Southeast Asia. When it flowers, the flowers are blue, and they are harvested and dried and turned into an herbal tea. Flavor-wise, it's very similar to green tea, but what's really cool about it is bright blue, which you'll see in a moment. Last couple ingredients for this are fresh squeezed lemon juice and a little wedge of lemon, which we will garnish with at the end. As always, want to make sure you have your tools for this cocktail, which we did provide for you in the form of the small plastic shaker. For here back at the bar, we'll be using a shaker, our jigger, to measure our spirits, our shaker, and we'll be serving the drink in a highball glass. All right, so for this one, we're gonna take our shaker, we're gonna put ice in this because we want to, this is not a dry shake, so we want to make sure we have ice in the shaker before we start mixing. Okay, move that so everyone can see it. Okay, we're gonna take our Hendrick's gin. If you purchase a kit with this drink through us, this will be pre-measured out for you. If you want to make them at home, again, you can use any botanical gin. I recommend Hendrick's because it's a fairly easy gin to drink, but that is certainly up to you. We will use 3/4 of an ounce of St. Germain. So we're going to take our smaller side of the jigger and we're going to fill it 3/4 of the way. And that's going to go right in with our gin. Then we're going to take our lemon. Again, you don't have to do this at home. We do it here just to make sure that we measure everything out, okay? But we want 1 ounce of lemon juice. Okay, so we're actually going to fill this side with lemon juice. Okay, and the lemon juice is very important in this cocktail. You'll see why in a moment. Okay. And take that, and you just want to make sure it's mixed up really well. Not a lot of ingredients to it, so it won't take long to mix. Okay, so once all your ingredients are mixed, I'm going to take our highball glass, fill it with ice. And then we want to put 2 ounces of our butterfly pea tea in the glass. All right, so take our bright blue tea. Extra. We're going to take our mix and we're going to take our strainer and we're going to add this right on top of the butterfly pea tea. And you'll actually see as it starts to change colors in the glass. All right, so butterfly pea flower tea reacts to the lemon that you put in the cocktail. So it's bright blue, it turns bright purple when you add lemon juice to it. If we keep adding lemon juice to it, it will actually turn a bright, like shockingly bright pink color. All right, so we're gonna top that off. Again, we're gonna take a lemon wedge. We're gonna put that right on the edge right there. I'm gonna serve this drink with a straw. And that, ladies, is a Purple Rain.